Let me show you how to follow and unfollow creators on Canva. Go ahead and click Home on Canva and then click on Templates, for example, at the top. You can explore different kind of templates. Let's say I want to look for a template, a logo, for example. I can click on logo and or I can even search for a logo and I'll be able to see some creators who make very good logos. So I can click enter there and it's going to search and I'm going to find logos. So let's say I like this one right here. I click on it and I'll be able to see the creator. And so if I scroll down as well, you can see it shows more like this. Potentially it's from the same creator, but I can go ahead and I can either click on the creator name to view their profile and follow them. Let me show you. So you can view their profile and you can follow them from here, or you could have done it from the previous page. So let's say I follow this creator because I like the work. Now, going forward, if I want to see more information from this creator, I can click on creators on the left and no one be able to find that creator again. So here's a creator. And if I want to unfollow the creator, just go ahead and click the three dots right here and click on unfollow. As well as if you, let's say you come across the creator profile again, and you just, let me just simple type in logo, see if I'll be able to identify the creator. So let's see if I find, so let's say I somehow come across a different design from the creator. Once I click in the profile, or that specific design, it will show me the profile of the creator and it will show that I'm currently following the creator and I can always go ahead and click on the creator from here again. And again, I can go ahead and click the following and it's going to give me the option to unfollow this idea trader, for example. I can go ahead and do that. And so that's it. Very easy and very simple.